So thank you very much for you guys coming, prestige all effort for me to hear is to see something like that happen. And you guys take your time, spend money, come here to prestige, to talk to each other, to co-read, exchange knowledge.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Squats, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Stand high, right? With the left hand, left foot as a left hand. I'm a right hand. But in takedowns, I prefer to fight as a left. Because what? I decided this long time ago. Most of the people are right hand. 9% in the world are right hand. They are very well training right hand against right hand. But they are not well trained as a left hand. But there are not many. So I said I go to this way. So most are right hand. I did do for the right hand as well. But in the left hand always fight most of the time against right hands. So they get very used when the guy is left hand to fight against right hand. It's awful for them. But left hand against left hand, it's not normal. If you enlist both. So I said, left, I choose the left hand. Why am I right hand? Sometimes I can change the right hand in the middle of the fight, in the national field. But my strong takedowns, most of them, is the left side. And the guys are not used to turn against it. So I choose that. My choice. Okay? So the guys come here, and I come there, hold him here, and we fight for this grip. So if I get this grip, he got my grip as well. He fight that. He's comfortable because he's a right hand. That's his grip. I changed that. I should be here. But I changed. I did that and did that. I could grip under his arm or over his arm. I don't care. Sometimes, if I wear shorts, I come over here. But I'm tall, I don't care, come over here. Because I'm not thin. Not here, not used to fight that. Because all the takedowns he want to throw that way, he got to go here. Well, I get easy to me to defend. See? Because this is the way he comes. I'm over here. If I'm going to have those takedowns, I have to come over here. He can't do this one over my hand. He has to go under. When he comes under, I already know that he wants to come this way. So I prepare with my hip and break here. So he needs to put my arm that way. If I do this, I'm done. I'm out of balance. So, this one forward, I can't attack that one. So do what? Attack that. You have many different attacks. I just show 2 or 3 for you guys to see what you can do. So, because I have 2 grips, I create more options of attack. I can come from here. I can come with single leg as well. And from here, I grab his leg. Now I kneel, or when I kneel, I go to his knee, but when I kneel, get close up. Easy to make it fall. And not much effort. Because most of the time, when you have a single leg, the guy try to make his leg, you want to go there, and he push you, always pushing, trying to escape. See? If I grab here, I get tired. Because he put the weight and sooner or later I will break my grips. So what I do, knees together, so don't need my hand too much. My hand's now going to work want. So from here, I can hold here but don't allow him to skate too long. And I knew, get close and get. And break the distance. Okay? So, my head will step ahead in the jiu-jitsu technique, in the jiu-jitsu environment. Now we are over the game. Right? It's okay, guys. Thank you very much for your attention. And
reason why we value tradition and lineage, and this is something that is really important for anyone, and it's something rare nowadays in the jiu-jitsu community, but we do have it. I received my black belt on the 14th of December